I would love to welcome you into this beautiful home. Follow me. And first we are entering into the family room or the grand room. It's a beautiful room with large vaulted ceilings and great big windows and a wonderful place to spend with the family or with guests. This takes us through to a gourmet kitchen with family dining area. Again, a great space to hang out with the family or to entertain with all these appliances, double oven, and great views over to the mountains over there. Loads of cupboard space in this house. Taking us through to a butler's pantry and a formal dining room. Okay, let me now take you through to the study area. This is a great executive office with built-in mahogany cabinets and just a great place to work. Let's go upstairs where we have 4 great bedrooms. What I love about this master bedroom is great space for sitting, sleeping, and just relaxing and chilling out with a double fireplace. The master bathroom with large jetted tub and walk-in closets. So here we have the second bedroom. The second bedroom leads through to the third bedroom with a shared Jack and Jill bathroom. And then the fourth bedroom has its own ensuite. Great size bedrooms in all of these rooms. The last area here is another further loft area, which could be used as a playroom or a further study with great built-ins. Here we have an amazing finished basement. We have the wet bar, we have an entertainment space over in the corner, plus a large area to have a pool table or table tennis, whatever your family likes to do. Follow me, we also have another bedroom down here ready for our guests, which leads into an ensuite bathroom. And then a bonus room here, which could be used as a gym or a further playroom. The large deck offers another place to relax or extend your entertaining space.